Hi, it's Kayla Heaps from the Heaps Estrin team. Welcome to 9 Doncliff Drive in the heart of Teddington Park. Please come join me for a tour. Entering the home immediately evokes a moment of pause and anticipation of what lies beyond. It quite literally takes your breath away. This expansive 12,000 plus square foot, light-filled home masterfully showcases a free-flowing layout, soaring ceilings, and the use of deep tones, which creates a rich, warm feeling and an aura of tranquility throughout. 9 Doncliff Drive provides a glimpse into the future of high-end design and offers truly unrivaled quality, bespoke finishes, and represents the ultimate experience in modern luxury living. The use of progressive building technologies and sustainable design methods results in an inspired expression of modern design. Perfectly situated on Doncliff Drive in the heart of Toronto's esteemed Teddington Park, this Richard Wengel design masterpiece offers a unique composition of laid-back luxury through the subtle marriage of high glamour and breezy California-inspired living. Having sold real estate in Toronto for over 20 years, I can say that I've had the great opportunity to see many exceptional homes, and this is probably the best of the best. One of the things I love about 9 Doncliff Drive is the beautiful landscaping. You have a truly private backyard oasis that features a hot tub, an in-ground pool, stunning landscaping and plantings, a nice sitting area with a fire pit, an outdoor barbecue area, and I could go on and on. But instead of me talking, why don't you take a look? 9 Doncliff Drive is just a short stroll from many of the favorite local shops and restaurants that Yonge Street has to offer. It is steps away from Toronto's most elite golf club, Rosedale Golf Club, which offers one of the country's best courses and exceptional dining options. This show-stopping property offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a cutting-edge architectural tour de force that sets an entirely new standard for refined luxury design. Thank you for taking the time to tour this magnificent home with me. If you'd like to book a private showing, please reach out directly and we'd be happy to help. Every home tells a story. It's time to write yours.